Welcome back to Ashok Educational Group. First PUC Hindi reduced syllabus. We all know 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for 2020 and 21. So we shall see which of the lessons have been retained and which are deleted in Hindi subject. So now we are looking Hindi retained syllabus. Retained syllabus will come for the exam. So we shall see first from lesson portion. From first section, first lesson Bade Gar Ki Beti, and the second one Yuvahu Se, the third one Nindaras, and the fourth one Binda, the fifth one Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the sixth one Dil Ka Dor Aur Enjoyena, and the seventh one Meri Badrinath Yatra. So these are first section lessons, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So 7 are there. In poetry section, medieval poetry. These are poetry section. 3 poetries are there. One Kabir Das ke Doha, and the second Tulsi Das ke Doha, and the third one Meera Bai ke Paad. 3 medieval poetry, and 4 modern poetry. These are modern poetry which are retained. First Kutia Mein Raj Bhavan, and the second Toti Patar, third one Ullas, and fourth one Tumga Do Mera Gaan Amar Ho Jai Hai. And in Kahaniya, third section Kahaniya, 3 are there. Madhua, and second Smashan, and third Koon Ka Rishta. 3 Kahaniyas are there, so which are retained. 7 prose and 3 medieval poetry, and 4 modern poetry, 3 Kahaniya. Now deleted portions, deleted lessons which won't come for the exam. In prose section, 3 are there. 8th, 9th, 10th lessons are deleted. Nalayak, Rashtra Swarup, rehearsal, 3 are deleted. In prose, medieval prose section, 2 medieval poetries have deleted. Sharan Vachanamruta, Allama Prabhu Basaveshwara Akka Mahadevi, and the second Ritikalina Kavya Rakshena Kesaviye. In modern poetry, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. 5th one Pratibha Ka Mulbindu, and 6th one Tum Ho Man Ke Budmita, and 7th one Mat Gabrana, and 8th one Abhinandaniya Nari, and Kahaniya, 3rd section, 4th section, 4th, 5th, 6th Smith Lahar Cilia Dopahar Ka Bhojan. These are deleted portions. So it's about Hindi. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more notifications.